Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the family of Shantae Skyers is still coming to terms with her death. But even as they grieve, they are speaking out in the wake of debates about the police's response in searching for the 8-year-old girl.
Speaking on RJR's Hotline program with Emily Shields, Shantae's father, Fabian Skyers, complained they are yet to hear from the police about their daughter.
At the end of that program, Emily Shields herself journeyed to the family. Our news team was there.
TVJ's Herman Green has excerpts of that interaction in this report.
Following complaints from Shantae's family on RJR 94 FM's Hotline program on Thursday that the police told them to visit the station for details about their dead daughter, TVJ News went to the community Thursday afternoon. However, the police were already there.
How does that make you feel? Still unable to answer. Now Fabian is breaking down.
Fighting back tears, Shantae's grandmother, Norma Hilton, spoke with us. She is still upset about the police's response time. She recalls that when she made the report last Thursday evening, the cops asked her for a picture. However, she could not find a hard copy.
So I went back into the station and said to the police, I have a picture on my phone, can I use it? Him said, no, I'm going to need a picture. So at the same time, I was wondering, no, when am I going to get picture? And saying, cannot do nothing without the picture. So I had was to come out and come home.
The next morning, she went to the Red Hills Primary School, hoping that somehow her granddaughter would be there.
So when I went out there to the school, the teacher, no, she wasn't there at the school. So I say, I was talking to the teacher, and when I tell the teacher and explain to the teacher, started to cry. So it's when the teacher started to cry, no, I said, no man, this is serious. I leave same time. It was early in the morning.
At that time, she took the picture on the phone back to the station.
So the police said to me, I have to get it print. So he says to me, go over by the pharmacy. When I went over there, it don't open. So I was to come back, and the police said, all right, he's going to take a statement. Yes. So I was sitting there taking the statement, and then the lady police come to me and said to me that give her the phone. I may give her the phone and $500, and she go and get the picture. Print.
She says she was not part of the search team on Tuesday, but recalls vividly the moment her granddaughter's body was found. She was sitting at home.
And then me hear somebody, I go down the road and I say, yeah, I'm fine her and she dead. Me couldn't contain myself. Me couldn't contain myself.
But it's the hours of delay Thursday evening that have Miss Hilton and the rest of the family hurt and upset.
Not really angry at the police, but what I am saying, if the police did come with me at the same night, just the night when I go to them and said to him that the child missing, I did expect them to come with me. You understand me, miss? Me did expect that they would have come with me at that time, and then we would have do a search. Yes. Now, if the police did come with me same time and do a search and we don't find her now, then when we find her dead now, they would have said the police already, they try, yeah.
The police, however, are adamant that they did what they could.
Any child that is go missing is immediately placed on an under alert, which is immediate. And as such, that is transferred to CCN, and then from there it is dealt with accordingly. But it was activated.
Herman Green, TVJ News.